one in the head.
What up, Robert Raccoon?
He's a bandit.
He's...
Is that the only type of raccoon there is?
Honey, I thought you did a report on raccoons.
I didn't.
Oh!
That's freaky. Hey, Rocky, are you done playing? Can I pet you?
Oh! I can't keep up with him. He's slick. Oh, he's so cute. Cute little baby. Oh, shit. Oh. Whoa. Wow.
This is so funny.
I know. It is funny just to kick back and watch him play.
Rusty Rocky. Rusty Rocky Raccoon.
Yo, you're not gonna attack me, are you, dude?
Oh, yesterday I put this up and he went on it. He liked it. I tried to get him off and he didn't want me to. It was funny.
Mm-hmm.
He's like more playful than ever.
Damn cute. Can't deny that. More water. More play. More water. More play.
So many buggies. He's like, okay, I'm done. Oh, time to go down. Oh, did you see that? That was so funny. Hey, Rocky. Oh, can I love you?
Oh, now the kitty has to try to get him. Like, nope, that's my little gem. What up, Rocky?
See, he likes this thing.
What up?
Hey, Rocky.
Ah! Ah! Ow! Sneak attack on my toe! Yeah.
That was funny.
It tickles.
It was like, ah.
What'd you get yours now? He likes
They
toes.
smell bad.
Oh, these kitties are funny.
Ow. They do tickle. You, my boo-boo. He's found a rock to chew on like Snicker would.
Is he gonna get my foot too? Hey, sweetie. Look at him. Oh, shit.
He's so cute.
I know, he's reaching it too. Oh, and the other guys, it's funny.
Rocky, looky. Look, she's taking your water. He's like, nah. Look at the other cat. He's just sitting there like, what you doing there?
He thinks he's the queen of the house. I don't know where he got that idea. He's not even our cat. Oh.
He thinks he is.
Yeah, well, he's got something coming.
Hey, Rocky boo. Wait. It's my sweet little baby. There.
He's funny. Okay, here's the little guys.
I'm afraid to give him a kiss. Ow, ow. Okay, go play. Go run along. My feet, my feet. They tickle. They tickle. He's like,
Whoa. These guys will just play all day, huh? Whoa, this is not normal, all these flies.
Okay, I'll keep them away. Rocky goes to the water, he drinks it, he gets all dirty, and then he spills it.
Good, get him. Get him back. Good, good little girl. Good, we've trained her right. Oh, that's funny. Good, the raccoon will kick her butt. Yeah, don't touch our little baby. Oh, that's funny.
Too bad the big kitty isn't a little cat anymore.
Yeah.
Remember the first time you saw that big cat?
Yeah, he was super cute.
I'll just stay down. It's so cute how he does that.
I know.
Yeah.
He loves it here. It's just a raccoon paradise.
I know.
What do you...
You want to come down?
No, honey, he doesn't need you to do anything.
Look at his tiny little feet. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cute. They're like monkey toes.